So welcome to a new video, guys. We are still here on Koh Yao Noi. Oh sorry, we are on Koh Yao actually now. Koh Yao Noi is just up north and is in my previous videos. We're just about to leave here at Koh Yao. We're going to Ao Nang today, and we're just waiting for the boat to leave. We just had a quick little breakfast and we checked out from the hotel, and now we are waiting. And it is actually pretty easy to come to Ao Nang here from Koh Yao. There's this long-tail boat just leaving the pier, going to the other pier, and it's very cheap. And then we will need a bus from the other pier to Ao Nang. It should be pretty easy and doesn't take so long of a time, so hopefully we can go out to see Ao Nang as well today. It's a place we have been a lot of times before. It's just this nice little place. There's a lot of restaurants, hotels, a lot of tourists, I guess. There's this nice little beach and there's a lot of limestone cliffs, and it's an awesome place. I'll show you guys today what it's like to be in Ao Nang. So the long-tail boat here is the one that will sail us to a Thailand pier, where we should take a bus to Krabi. Just as always, a huge pleasure to sail through the Pranape area. I really love these huge rock formations, and it's just so beautiful. Now we arrived here at Thailand, and our big challenge is to find a cheap way to come to Ao Nang. It is not easy, I'll say. So actually it is cheaper to take a minivan here, private, to Ao Nang instead of taking a bus to Krabi and then go from Krabi to Ao Nang. So we'll take a taxi. Okay, so welcome to Ao Nang. We found a room here for 450 baht. Very cheap with the air-conditioned Wi-Fi. Take a look at this, guys. This is crazy. This is what you get for 450 baht here in Ao Nang. It is basically just a steal. There's everything we need. There's air condition, there's a nice large room, there's hot water, there's Wi-Fi in the rooms. Everything is just, oh god, the Thai television is really fucking me up right now. It is just amazing, and I'm just happy to get in here. It's very cheap, 450 baht. It's crazy. But yeah, that's what it's like to be in Ao Nang. It is just cheap as hell. So we're just sitting here and having some Indian food. Actually, it's very delicious. Some naan bread and some samosa here. I really love Indian food, and I really want to visit India one day to have some awesome food. After some awesome Indian food, we are now looking for some massage, and we need to withdraw some money. And I got another pro tip for you guys just in a sec. When you're withdrawing money here in Thailand, really look around for the cheap banks to do it. It is so important. It can basically save you around, I don't know, around $50 US if you choose a cheap bank or an expensive bank. And one of the cheaper banks is this one. It is called Chanchat Bank, and also the yellow one is called the Guangxi Bank. These are the cheap ones, and look out for them when you are going for withdrawing money. It can save you a lot of money here in Thailand. Okay, so we found a place here to have an oil massage. It's gonna be awesome. Wow, that was amazing with a massage. It's really good. That's another big advantage of coming to tourist places like this. There's crazy good massage, and it's very cheap. We paid 250 baht for 1 hour of an oil massage, and it's very cheap, and it's really good. I love getting massages here in Thailand. And make sure to have a lot of massages when you're here in Thailand, because in the rest of Southeast Asia they're actually not as good as here in Thailand. So when you're in Thailand, make sure to have a lot of massages. Now we are on our way to down to the sea. We'll have a little swim before the sun goes down, and it is very soon to go down, so it has to be now. Yeah, let's go to the ocean. But first we'll meet Sophia and Malte. They decided to stay at Koh Yao to do the PADI Advanced Open Water as well as we did. And now they're here in Ao Nang, and they're ready to meet us, and we'll go meet them, and then we'll go to the beach. Okay, so welcome to the main street here of Ao Nang. Right here there is a lot of hotel, bars, restaurants, everything. And down here is the beach. It is a nice little area. Not the best beach, but it's fine. With all of these people, I'm already starting to miss Koh Yao. Wow, there are so many people just taking you, and you need to come to my store. It's just crazy. I hate it. Hello. Okay, so we just had a quick little dip in the ocean. Really awesome. It is very fun here because actually the ocean is hotter than the air. So we just want to stay under the water, and I think we stayed there for 1.5 hours. Just so nice and so warm. I think the water is, I don't know, 32 degrees would be my guess. Just in a minute we'll go out to have a beer here in Ao Nang. There's a crazy nightlife going on here, and we'll just look at it tonight and have fun.